Kyhighlah calls her ex Froggy.
I come so far, me try. You come go on like say you blood clot. You are the bestest thing since blood clot sliced bread. You are the bestest thing. You can't even bumbo clot suck pussy good. You can't even finger pum pum good. Your finger me hole and cut up your hole and me hole. And then you come go on like say you are the it thing. You are the next big thing, boy. Yeah. Where the blood clot you come go and suffer like you are the next big thing, boy. Yeah. Eh? And me put up on the blood clot, McFroggy. And me put up on the fucking McFroggy. Don't do that. And me put up on the blood clot map. And me put up on the map. Don't come go on like say you walk and bring me down and get no hype off of me. And then to go on like, and then don't do that, Froggy. Do not do that. Not do that to me. Cause this is one thing. Me never have no, don't fucking play with me certain way, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that, Froggy. I try with you. I try. Me try so till me couldn't try no more. My last draw when me realize that you draw for go, you sag up for go suck out my friend. Cause where you want to give my friend money for? Where do you want to give my friend money for? Eh? Where do you want to give the girl money for? Me understand, say you have money and you want to give her money, but why make you want to give my friend money and why you so insist that she take your money? Eh? And then you so lie. You so lie. You so lie. You so lie.